Hey guys, so I'm just going to show you a rear valance replace today. This is on my 2010 Camaro. So this is why you could see why I'm replacing it. It was ripped on this left side and it was just kind of hanging down. And then on this side it was just definitely hanging down because of the screw. So yeah, you're just going to need a little screwdriver here to be able to get this done. So you'll go ahead and unscrew this side, and on the other right side there's also going to be another little screw that you should just be able to unscrew. It does have like a little part that you should be using. I believe they're like 8mm sockets, or if not 7mm sockets. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, so just right after you loosen that, you'll just pull. Initially I was trying to pull it pretty gently because I didn't want to break the bumper, but you'll actually have to pull somewhat significantly hard. So don't break your bumper, just be careful whenever you do it. But yeah, use those clips from the New Balance as a reference. So as you can see, I just kind of tried to keep pulling here and it wasn't coming out, so I just decided to put this side over the exhaust tip and then moved on to the right side where I just completely yanked it off. But again, like I said, be careful with your bumper because if it does break, those clips could stay in there and you might have to take them out, but it should just be coming out with like maybe just a screwdriver. Yeah, so after pulling for a little bit, I just realized it wasn't coming off, and I was doing it on camera at first, but since I was afraid that I was going to break it or break the bumper or something, I just ended up doing it off camera. But yeah, I just took it out, some of the pieces got stuck in there, and I just took them out with a little screwdriver, pushing them back out. So yeah, this is just the piece I was referring to. I took off the screws just to make sure they're like 8mm socket, I believe, or 7mm is what you need. And then I'll usually just hang off that little plastic part that on mine actually fell off. So I decided not to put it on because it actually didn't hang afterwards. But if you have it on there, just keep that in mind, 7 or 8mm socket that you'll need. And then yeah, right here, you're just going to need those little screws that you could see where those holes are. Just use the screws that come with it because normally these don't come with other screws. I mean, you could really just find any, they're just like regular screws. So yeah, you'll just put that part back on, you'll just clip it on. Usually everything's going to clip on. Make sure everything clicks, each and every clip clicks. And then right here, I'm just finishing up this left side. Just make sure you do the left and the right side. And if you have those clips right there, 7 or 8mm socket is what you'll need. Other than that, you should be good to go. But yeah, hopefully you guys like it. I'll link the parts underneath, and I believe I found some cheaper ones whenever I started looking online, so hopefully that helps, and I'll link those as well. And just lastly, here's the old part. As you can see why I was taking it off. Yep, it looks much, much better.